What's up guys, Dassahmariee here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a hair review on this wig right here. Now you guys, this is perfect for spring. I'm super excited. I haven't worn a curly wavy type of wig in a while, like super curly. So when this wig arrived, I was super excited. This is a lace front. I do kind of have like a middle part going on, and if you guys know me, you guys know I really don't wear middle parts, but I feel like with curly hair it's hard to do the swoop bang like I usually do. If this does look a little different, I did not cut the lace. I actually folded it. I did want to just put it on so you guys can see how it looks even without cutting the lace, just folded. And show you guys so you could get like a little gist of how the wig looks. It does come with the little baby hairs that I have out in the front. How I would probably wear it is just like have this hair in the back and then just have some in the front. This is like my go-to hairstyle. I want to show you guys how it looks in the back. It's very curly, you guys. It's very thick. It's very well made, as you guys can see. Check out the link in the description. I do believe there is a coupon code. It's like $35 I believe right now, so you guys can't beat that deal at all. So let me know what you think about this wig in the comment box. Okay you guys, this is the unboxing portion. Today I'm going to be reviewing the black curly synthetic lace front wig from Kurope. This is how it comes in the clear packaging. So let's go ahead and open it. So I went ahead and unboxed it. As you can see, it comes with a wig cap right here. I do like the tan colors so it can match. And then right here, you guys can see it is a full lace front. I love that the wig already comes with these baby hairs. I feel like that is so helpful for those of you who are not into cutting your own baby hairs. It already comes pre-cut for you guys. So here's the lace right here. Lace from end to end. The lace, you guys can see how it looks on my skin tone. Very transparent. I love that. Let's go ahead and look at the inside of it. You guys can see right here the whole front of it is full lace. So if you guys want to part it any way, you guys are able to. The lace looks great. Right here, they do have a comb on the right side and the left side, as you guys can see. They do have a comb at the bottom and the adjustable strap, so you guys can adjust it to your head size, your correct head size. And you guys, let's get into these curls. Look at these curls. These are beautiful. Look at that. It's giving like a water, I want to say a water wave. It's not super curly, but it's not straight. It's definitely giving like a water wave type of curl, which I love a lot. I feel like this is perfect for the weather. It is still winter, but we're getting close to springtime, and I just think you can never go wrong with a curly wig. And here you could get a good look at the curls from top to bottom. Great quality, very realistic. I think if you are a beginner, this would be the perfect wig for you. Even if you're not a beginner, I think this would be a great wig. So check it out in the description box. Let's go see if I could do like some hairstyles right here. Even with curly, you guys know I'm gonna do my side pony. If I do this claw clip look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thumbs up, subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.